of a canyon, and that canyon is called Clear Creek. Hiking, biking, climbing, so this is a hot spot for activity. In sunflower season, if you haven't noticed, you'll see a bunch just grabbed this tree, bunch of white powder came out on my hand. This right here, for the tree, is a form of sunscreen. At this elevation, the UV radiation from the sun is twice as potent as it is at sea level. So trees really do have to protect themselves. So this is a sunscreen. The color white reflects solar radiation, right?